In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A30s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then hit Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on any of those styles to apply the best one. If you wish to try something else, go back to the same settings and hit Download Fonts. Then install the best one for you by clicking on it and hitting Install, or by tapping on this little icon next to it. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back to Font Style List and click on your new downloaded one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!